Hey! What are you doing? Call Mama. Mama needs to come get in here with us. Ooh. Oh, that's Tex! Do you want Tex to get in here? Hey, Tex, come get in here, buddy. Come here. Come here. You want to get this? Come here. Come get in here. Get in here, Tex. Come on. Come on. Say she just crawled in here. Come look at this.